እንዳይገባ ፈለገ በብርጭቆ I'm asking him, let's put water here. You are interviewing me. Finally, I will take water. Yeah. Yes. Coffee is my enemy. Coffee is my best friend. Why I tell you coffee is my enemy? Because the coffee has started planting around my birthplace near to Irgachefe. $60 kilometers. Now our outgrowth is at a very closer radius. Me and the men, we started Trabuca, Mordokov and Trabuca, 2006 or 2005, last of 2005.
Meno he should have to be credited. He is the one, our eye opener. He comes with a lot of customers, not only selling, not only Hayless and Tesfaye coffee.
Meno was, he was very young by that time, very active, strong, energetic. I found him, he is visionary. I said, Meno, we should have to develop this organic coffee sales. So since then, we are working together.
But the whole, revolutionized the whole Guji coffee, because everybody, he brought a lot of people here. Before him, no one visited us.
The last 15 years, every year, the population was planting from 11 to 15 million trees. With the last 15 years, over 45 washing stations has been established in Guji area. More than 55 dry mills which processes Guji coffee.
The benefit is not to stop upon us. The whole community start getting the benefit. It is a change for the whole community. The Guji coffee is, particularly the Shakiso coffee is very special. Everybody looks for Shakiso coffee. So that is the result.
Agriculture is challenged by its nature. Some years maybe a drought, some year unusual rain. Look, this is a rainy season. Look, unusual rain. We are dependent of environment. That is a challenge.
It is very, very just cultural not to cut a big trees. There are selected trees which are not culturally allowed to cut. Even they use it now. The forest is a shade. When something happens, they said, when security problem, when the drought comes. So they see it in different angles. So culturally, we respect trees, nature as a whole.
Unless we protect this environment for the future generation, the trees, the rivers, the birds, all natural phenomena, this agriculture will not sustain. You will see why we grow different type of agricultural practices, mainly semi-forest. We want to protect.
When we talk about our coffee, if you see economical wise, we are not on the position to run the farm, because what the farm provide you is what only the nature provide you. This is true.